How to set default theme on Messenger app. For this, you have to go ahead and open your Messenger application. So make sure that it is connected to your Facebook account. Now select any of the conversation you want to change the theme in. To change the theme, you can just go ahead and tap on the username of the person. Right here, you will find a list of themes that you can select from. However, to select a default theme, you have to scroll down to the very end. Under Colors and Gradients, tap on the first one that will be our default. So go ahead and tap on it. Then simply tap on Select. As you can see, it has notified you changed the theme to default. If this feature is not for you, tap and hold your Messenger app and go to App Info. Stop your app, then head to Storage and Cache. Clear the cache. Once you do this, exit from here. Open your Play Store or App Store. Search for Messenger. Tap on the suggestion. Tap on Update if there is any update available, or uninstall the application and reinstall it once again. And that's pretty much it for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.